Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Nur Natasha binti Adnan. My metric number is 822A0792 and I will start with the question A. Identify the type of market structure Malaysia Airlines System MAS belongs to and briefly explain two of its characteristics. Type of market structure Malaysia Airline System MAS is oligopoly market structure. Two characteristics of this market structure are the oligopoly market consists of only a few enterprises and there are only a few sellers, usually between 3 and 10, who sell material products. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nino Nadia Akhila binti Mazlan. My metric number is 822A0753. Today I will present our case study for question B. The question is about explain the strategy that was taken by Malaysia Airlines to increase its profitability. The strategy that was taken by Malaysia Airlines to increase its profitability is to set its priorities right by focusing on minimizing costs, eliminating sources or losses, downsizing the workforce, and contract renegotiation in order.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Mezato Amira Haiza and my metric number is 82280 Now I will explain for question C from case study 8. The question is to differentiate between fixed cost and variable cost, and the question to list two example fixed cost and variable cost faced by mass. As you know, fixed cost is the payment made by the firm for the use of fixed input in the production process, so it does not change. While for variable costs, which are the payments made by the firm limited to the use of variable inputs, and it will change directly with the level of output. Two examples of fixed costs faced by MAS are first lease or rental payments for aircraft and facilities. These costs remain the same regardless of the number of flights operated or passenger capacity uses. The second is suppliers must limit suppliers to only 20,000 suppliers, so operating costs will not exceed and remain. It can be well controlled by MAS. Example of variable costs faced by MAS are the first is catering expenses. The cost of providing food and beverages in flight will vary depending on the number of passengers and the flight being operated. The second is labor wages. Must reduce the cost of its workers' wages and also reduce the number of workers to reduce the high operating cost above 20% of its competitors.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nokia Amira binti Mawalid and my metric number is A22A0230. So I will give the answer for question D. Economy of scale refers to the cost advantage that a business or organization can achieve as it increases the scale of its operation. In simpler terms, the more a company produces, the lower the cost per unit. This is because fixed costs such as rent and salary can be spread out over a larger output, leading to lower average cost incurred by small business. Economy of scale can be achieved in various ways, including the use of specialized equipment, negotiating better price for the raw materials, and spreading advertising and marketing costs over a larger output. There are two main types of economic scale, which is internal and external. Internal economy are controllable by management because they are internal to the company, while external economy depend upon external factors. These factors include the industry, geography, location, or government. Okay. Uh, there are factors that can help us achieve economy of scale. First, specialization of labor and more integrated technology boost production values. For example, large-scale machines or production process that increase productivity. Second, lower per unit cost can come from broad order from suppliers, larger advertising buys or lower cost of capital. For example, larger companies are often able to achieve internal economy of scale because they can lower their cost and rise their production level. They also can buy stuff in bulk and have a patent and special technology.
My name is Muhammad Ayub bin Murad and I will continue for the E question. So the answer for the question E is if MAS cuts its flight, the supply of flights will decrease. This will cause the equilibrium price of flight tickets to increase. Assuming that demand remain constant, the quantity of flight tickets sold will decrease as well, as there will be fewer flights available for purchase. However, it's important to note that the actual impact on the equilibrium price and quantity of flight tickets will depend on number of factors, including the elasticity of demand for flight, the availability of substitutes, and the pricing strategies of other airline in the market. So I will continue for the diagram. So according to the diagram, the effect when flight is reduced. So the first thing is the quantity will decrease from Q1 to Q2. And number two, the price will increase from P1 to P2, and the supply decreases and move to the left from S1 to S2. And the last is as a result there will be a new intersection point at Y2. So that's all from us from group 10 from the case study from the article 8. That's all from us. Thank you.